if you buy the new iPhone, it comes with the action button, not the switch button like it used to be. So for some reason, if you don't know how to turn on or turn off silent mode, you need to follow this step. So for some reason, if it doesn't work like something like this, when you're trying to click on the action button, there is no action. So you need to go into setting, and then under setting you need to go into action button. So this is because it doesn't work because there is no action. You need to swipe all the way to the left until you stand on silent mode. So, and now whenever you click on the action button, you can enable or disable silent mode, something like that. Now it is in silent, and now it is enable, and now it is disable, something like that. It is pretty simple. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then I will see you guys in the next one.